Good afternoon. This is my week 6 journal by Emily Torgerson. What are the 5 levels of Van Heel's levels of geometric thinking? Level 0 is visualization. Students will explore how shapes are alike and different and use ideas to create classes of shapes. So comparing the properties of a triangle with 3 sides to a square which has 4, and using that to differentiate what shape is what. The first step is analysis. Students consider all shapes within a class, such as what makes a rectangle a rectangle. The second level is informal deduction. Students at this point should be using if-then reasoning to begin to classify shapes using a minimum set of defining characteristics. The last 2 levels are higher level thinking that you might see in high school. The third level is deduction, where students can give deductive geometric proofs. They understand the role of definitions, theorems, axioms, and proofs. And number 4 is rigor, where students are able to describe the effect of adding or removing an axiom on a given geometric system. 2 activities to implore students at the level 2. The first one from the book is creating a minimal defining list for a shape, and students can work in groups to find examples. So if they create rules that defines what consists of a parallelogram, the students will find qualities of different shapes and compare it to their MDL. The second idea, it says card sorts that require students to use a variety of theorems across a diverse mixture of input. So students can make connections between geometric properties and have to sometimes take multiple steps before they can successfully classify a figure. So this is another group game where students could flip the cards over and play a matching game to match the theorem to the shape. The use of non-standard units engages students because students can use measurement tools that are meaningful to them. So in the video, the student was using Play-Doh and blocks, and he was making measurements and comparisons. And the other idea is that during the measurement, the unit must not change. The unit must be appropriate, so you might not be using the size of your hand to measure an entire room. You might be using the number of steps, but then also having the student understand that my step might not be the same size of your step. So using the non-standard units to make comparisons between the different units. And to target ELLs and students who are behind academically, they can use their body as a benchmark for length, which was found in the book, or using items in your community or home to make comparisons. So again, using items that are meaningful to you, that are free, an easy resource to find, that would help a student to use the skill in and outside of the classroom. And that is it. Thank you so much.